In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Manychat app in just 5 minutes. First, let's dive right in by heading over to Manychat's website. Open up your favorite web browser and type in the URL app.manychat.com. This will bring you to the Manychat homepage. Once there, look for the sign in button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials, so go ahead and sign in with your details. If you're new to Manychat, you'll want to create an account by following the on-screen instructions. But for today, let's assume you've already set up your account. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll land on the Manychat home screen. This is your dashboard, and from here you can navigate to various parts of the app that help you manage and engage with your subscribers. Now on this dashboard, find the Home tab, which gives you an overview of your account's performance and how your chatbots are interacting with users. Let's move on to the next step, locating the settings. In your dashboard, look for the Settings tab. It's crucial because it holds the key to configuring your account to fit your specific needs. Clicking on it will bring up a wealth of options, including the chance to manage your integrations. Within the settings menu, you'll find the extensions section. By clicking on extensions, you unlock new possibilities for enhancing your Manychat experience, allowing you to integrate additional tools and features into your chatbot flows. Once you've explored extensions, look to the apps section. Click on apps to see all the various applications that you can integrate with Manychat. This is especially useful if you're aiming to streamline your marketing efforts across different platforms and need seamless connectivity. Following along, you should now click on the Visit App Store option. This takes you to a dedicated page where Manychat houses all the apps that can add value to your overall marketing strategy. The App Store is a treasure trove for discovering both free and paid tools that can automate and optimize your workflows. Finally, within the App Store, make sure to click on Explore Reviewed Apps for Manychat. This is where you'll find hand-picked, highly rated apps that can greatly enhance your Manychat experience, providing integrations for e-commerce, marketing, customer support, and more. And there you have it. You've navigated through the essential steps on using the Manychat app. Whether you're just beginning to explore chatbot technology or you're a seasoned automation enthusiast, being comfortable with these features in Manychat can help you streamline interactions and ultimately grow your online presence. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.